How to use a semicolon. Just a quick reminder, continually improve your English. Click the subscribe button, the bell icon, and all. Now, how to use a semicolon? We're going to look at 3 simple rules. Here's use number 1. Use between items in a series or groupings or list. Here's an example. In 2022, the 5 most populated capital cities in the world were Tokyo, Japan, Jakarta, Indonesia, New Delhi, India, Manila, Philippines, and Seoul, South Korea. Notice a comma is used after the first word in the word group, and then a semicolon to show the break in word groups. The conjunction "and" is used before the last item in the list, following the semicolon. Now here's use number 2. Use between closely related clauses or to complete sentences not already linked with the conjunctions and, but, for, or, nor, so, or yet. Look at these 2 sentences. She finds the sweltering heat of summer difficult. Autumn is her favorite season. This is grammatically correct. Notice we can join the 2 closely related sentences with a semicolon and make it one sentence. This is also correct. She finds the sweltering heat of summer difficult. Autumn is her favorite season. Why use a semicolon when you can write it as 2 sentences? There may be times when the writer feels 2 sentences are so closely related they shouldn't be separated by a full stop or period. Here's use number 3. Use between closely related clauses or to complete sentences which are linked with transitional words like, for example, however, in addition, in conclusion, meanwhile, next, similarly, therefore. Note, transitional words are normally followed by a comma. Notice these 2 sentences, the second sentence beginning with, for example. His mum is very economy-minded. For example, she is always telling him off for leaving lights on in his room. You could also join these sentences into one using a semicolon. For example follows the semicolon, which is followed by a comma. His mum is very economy-minded. For example, she is always telling him off for leaving lights on in his room. Again, the writer here may feel the 2 sentences are so closely related they shouldn't be separated by a full stop or period. It's up to the discretion of the writer. So, to summarize, use semicolons, 1, between a series and a list to make word groupings clear, 2, to connect 2 closely related clauses or sentences, as long as they're not linked with the conjunctions and, but, for, or, nor, so, or yet, and 3, connect 2 closely related clauses or sentences that are linked with the transitional words, for example, however, in addition, in conclusion, meanwhile, next, similarly, therefore. Has this video helped you? Then like, share or comment now. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Go to goodenglish.online.